The Tesla Bot Gen 4 represents a colossal leap forward in humanoid robotics, engineered with an astonishing level of complexity and precision. At the heart of its design lies the hand, a marvel of modern robotics featuring 50 actuators per hand, equating to 100 actuators per robot. This layered complexity enables 44 degrees of freedom, mimicking the unparalleled dexterity of the human hand. Elon Musk has confirmed these numbers, emphasizing that this isn't mere hype, but a fundamental breakthrough. The Tesla Bot is slated for production now, boasting a revolutionary commercial price of $20,000, making these humanoid robots as attainable as buying a smartwatch or smartphone. The accessibility of such advanced technology marks a turning point, shifting from luxury concept to everyday utility that YouTube plus one standard bots. Central to the dramatic cost reduction is Tesla's strategy of mass production, targeting 1 million units annually. This scale effect draws heavily on Tesla's robust manufacturing ecosystem, which already produces millions of electric vehicles equipped with advanced batteries, electric motors, AI processors, and power electronics. Tesla's existing tech stack forms the foundation for the bot, allowing the company to build a humanoid robot without reinventing the wheel. Musk's vision positions Optimus not just as a sophisticated machine, but as the greatest product ever created, surpassing the smartphone in potential impact. His foresight extends to a future where billions of robots work alongside humans globally, acting as assistants, caregivers, surgical aides, and industrial laborers. He envisages a ratio of up to 4 robots per human worker, with Optimus integrated deeply into manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and infrastructure construction, forging an era where material abundance is universal without natural resource depletion. The U2+2. The dexterity of Optimus' hand represents the cornerstone of its utility. Designed with a sophisticated musculoskeletal system mirroring the human forearm, its 5 fingers and thumb move with precision to perform delicate tasks such as threading needles, holding fragile eggs, turning tiny screws, and even playing musical instruments. This hand design responds to the grand challenge in robotics, recreating human manual dexterity in a machine. Past attempts by robotics firms have faltered here, but Tesla's unique blend of AI, precision actuators, and manufacturing know-how positions Optimus to overcome this barrier. Existing versions like Optimus 2.5 already demonstrate fluid martial arts movements, navigate independently in office spaces, and perform practical tasks like holding microphones and serving food. The upcoming Optimus 3, due early next year, is expected to surpass these feats, introducing thousands of new abilities, with Gen 4 pushing that to over 5,000 tasks, including complex cooking operations and medical procedures, exceeding human surgeon precision. U2+1. Underlining Tesla's vision is an ecosystem approach where each robot acts as a component of a larger tech landscape. Tesla vehicles are essentially robots on wheels, equipped with self-driving AI and robust sensor arrays. This platform extends naturally to Optimus, which Musk describes as a robot with arms and legs built atop this legacy technology. The challenges that have historically hampered humanoid robots boil down to mastering robotic hand mechanics, embedding AI that can operate in complex, unpredictable environments, and achieving large-scale manufacturing efficiencies. Tesla claims mastery in all 3, leaning on its AI engineers specializing in full self-driving systems and its unparalleled vehicle production scale. This synergy gives Tesla a competitive advantage over other leaders like Boston Dynamics or Figure AI, who struggle to marry dexterous hardware with robust AI and manufacturing-scaled YouTube. Operationally, the Tesla Bot Gen 4 promises revolutionary productivity. Unlike humans, who require rest, meals, and recuperation, Optimus can work indefinitely when connected to power, translating into 8,760 hours of potential yearly operation versus approximately 2,000 hours for a full-time human worker. This relentless work capacity doesn't sacrifice quality. Robots don't experience fatigue, loss of focus, or motor tremors, enabling flawless consistency, an invaluable trait in critical fields like surgery or intensive industrial labor. In healthcare, beyond surgeries, Optimus can streamline logistics by moving medical equipment, sterilizing environments, transporting patients, and managing supplies. Tasks essential to hospital efficiency, but often resource draining. Safety remains paramount. The robot's design includes force limitations and smooth, human-safe motions to enable close proximity interactions without risk. Beyond industry and healthcare, the Tesla bot aims to enter homes as helpers capable of managing daily chores, walking pets, shopping, cooking, or providing companionship and psychological support through advanced interaction capabilities. Standardbot's U2+1. Tesla Bot Gen 4 distinguishes itself with an appearance so lifelike it blurs the line between human and machine. Rather than a mechanical look, it resembles a person wearing an advanced robotic exoskeleton, complete with concealed actuators and wiring for fluid, natural movements. Musk predicts people may need to physically tap the robot to confirm it isn't human. This new generation will feature enhancements like high-resolution OLED facial displays, integrated voice interface systems, and remarkably realistic hand dexterity able to tackle intricate manual tasks. The battery life extends up to 12 hours untethered, and the robot's speed and precision increase, enabling it to manage everything from bottle opening to microassembly and complex household cooking. From its first public demos featuring martial arts fluidity and practical interactions, Optimus demonstrates it's no gimmick, but a functional machine poised to revolutionize robotics applications in homes and industries alike. U2+1. Elon Musk envisions Optimus reaching mass adoption levels far beyond current robots, with production scaling into tens of millions for Gen 4 and potentially hundreds of millions for Gen 5. The bot is positioned to transform society. This progression embodies a profound shift, robots relieving humans of repetitive labor, allowing an increased focus on creativity, innovation, and quality of life. Material wealth could become widely accessible, and essential tasks like infrastructure building, logistics, and personal care would enjoy unprecedented efficiency and precision. This radical shift challenges historically held notions of robots as sci-fi constructs, turning them instead into everyday utilities integrated into family life and industry. The Tesla bot's success hinges on achieving a balance of affordability, advanced dexterity, robust AI, and safety, all bundled into a continually evolving product line introduced annually to raise the bar further. U2+2. This ambitious vision combines cutting-edge engineering, AI mastery, and manufacturing prowess to create robots that aren't just tools, but life enhancers. Tesla's humanoid bots, with their dexterous hands, AI-driven intelligence, and human-like fluidity, redefine the promise of automation with societal benefits spanning healthcare, industry, and domestic life.